Hey everyone, it is me, Ellie, and I am back with another video. This time I am going to play Sudoku online, and I found this free website. It's called sudokuplayer.net, and it lets you play unlimited amount of Sudoku puzzles online. Don't have to download any software. So I thought it's pretty cool, and it has 3 levels that you can choose: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So let's get started. I don't feel like working too hard today, so I'm gonna go ahead and go for a beginner puzzle and let's see how I do. Oh, and everything is timed, so that's pretty cool. All right, no pressure. Um, this box is almost filled. We're looking for an 8 and a 6, 8 and 6. So this is definitely going to be a 6. This will be an 8. This one's almost filled. We need a 4 and a 5. So this is obviously going to be a 5. That will be the 4. What's next? We need a 1 here. So it's going to be a 1 here or here. We need a 2. Can't be here. It could be here or there. 4, 9. Right? 9, 9. Need a 9 here. It would be here. Sorry guys, I'm jumping around. Let's go back. We need a 7. Can't have a 7 here. Can't have a 7 there, but we can have a 7 here. We need a 4. Can't have a 4 here or here, but we can have one there. We need a 6. Not enough info just yet. We need a 1. 1. So the 1 would be here. We need a 2. 2 would be there. 6 would be there. Awesome. Nice and easy so far. Let's see. Where should I go next? Let's see. We need a 9. Can't have a 9 here or here. So there could be a 9 there or there. No, we can't have a 9 here or there. It would have to be here because there's a 9 there and here. So there's a 9 here. What's left? 1, 2. Need a 3. So 3 would go there. This row is almost filled. We need a what? We need a 1 and a 6. 1 and a 6. Well, it can go either way. As of right now, 6. There's no 6 in this row. There's not a 6 here yet. So, let's see. We need a 5. Can't have 5 here or here. 5 will go here. We need a 2. Can't have a 2 here or here or here. So the 2 would go there. We need a, didn't get 1 yet. We can't have a 1 here. So the 1 would go here. So the 6 would go here. We need an 8 and can't have an 8 there, so the 8 goes here. And what's left? We need a 6. Yay! We're a third of the way there. Okay. We need a 1. Can't have 1 here. Here or there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can't have 7 here. 7 there. 8. Can't have an 8 here. So the 8 will go there. Oops. Okay, so where was I? I need what, a 4? Was that it? Can't have a 4 there or here. So the 4 would go here or here. So I can't put that in just yet because it could go either way. We definitely can't have a 1 here though. So there's a 1. That goes there. So we'll need a 7 and we need a 4. Okay, let's keep it moving. Can have a 2 here or here. So 2 would go there. Need a 5. Can't have a 5 here. Gonna have 1 here or there. Let's see. We get a 9. Nope, we do have a 9. Never mind. We don't need a 9. We need a 7. Can't have a 7 here. Can't have 1 here. Right there. We need a 5 here or here. We need a 2. Oh, no, we don't need a 2. Oh, guys, I'm tired. Let's see. We need a 6. So no 6s on here. I have a 6 here or here. All right, let's move on. This one only needs 2 numbers. You see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 can't be here, so it has to be here. And the 4 would go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So 1, I need a 2. No, I don't. Why do I keep thinking I need a 2? And this is at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 7. Where, oh, where do you belong? 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not enough info. 1, 2, need a 3 in this row. Can't be there, so it would have to be here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in a 9. Here. So the 5 they're already or there. So the 6 would have to be there. Since there's a 6 already here. So that's going to be where the 6 goes. And this is the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So E is a 7. Okay, almost there. 1, 2, 3. I need a 4, 5, 6, 6, 7. Have a 7 in this box. So it'd have to be here. Nope, right there. 7, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Need a 3. No 1 here. Can't have 1 there. 1 here or there. 2, 3, 4. Can't have 4 here. 4, 5. Can't have 5 here. Here or here. So we need a 5 right there. Can't have 1 here or here. So it'd be right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that'll be an 8. That'll be the 4. What's left? 1, 9, 8, 7, 6. We need, can't have a 1 here or there, so the 1 would be here. Need a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 would go here. 4 would go there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Need a 7. And we need 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Awesome. Oh, there you have it, guys. Until next time.